Hey guys, here's just a little video clip of my car I thought I'd show you. Just a little bit of information for you guys. It's a 1990 VN Commodore, as you can see. Pretty standard from the outside. It's got standard alloy wheels. Metallic blue in colour. Yes, I have had a ding. Anyway, whoop-de-doo, I know the lights are illegal. They're only for show for this video. Is some work to be done, but as you can see, it's a pretty standard looking Commodore. I know, it looks dirty and yeah, it's a bit shitty, but it gets me from A to B. But if you can see, my exhaust. 4-speed automatic, yeah, single spinner, rear end. I've got KingSpring Lowers in the front and rear, pedders shockers running on all four. Yeah, I'll show you what's under the hood. Something that's definitely not standard. And as you can see, that's definitely not a standard engine. And also, yes, that is for show. It is in the boot. The air pipe's in the boot. But yes, it is a VS Commodore Ecotec engine running on the VN Commodore computer. Change all sensors to run the VN Commodore computer. Instead of running the MAF sensor, MAF sensor, you run your MAT sensor, if you can see, probably not. You have to drill a hole in the back of the plenum chamber. Basically she goes straight away. Change your injectors or whatever, get a new set. She's all good. Here's another thing you have to get. That sensor right there, you have to get a little tap bolt made for it, but yeah, it goes pretty good. I'm guessing you guys probably really sort of want to have a listen and have a hear. Well, I'll do my best. I'll put it down on the ground here so you can see, and hopefully it comes out alright. Don't know how that sounds, I'll find out in a minute. I'm gonna have a look and hopefully it sounds alright. 2.5 inch exhaust, sorry, sports exhaust, VN cat, VN headers, custom adjusted to suit and fit onto the VN headers. But there's my baby, and oh, also adjustable camber, bearing tops, doesn't really do much. Yeah, just got stereo, not really nothing, just a USB JVC head unit with what is it, Jaycar splits, old school Jaycar splits when they were good. Sorry Jaycar. And some dub 6x9s, which yeah, they're alright. I think they're like 250 watt or something, but yeah, RMS about 90, but they're alright, do the job, I'm happy. Listen to my tunes, but anyway, Hope you enjoy, and I'll speak to you guys later.